Eliminate this texture by Skimcoat. Choose a topping compound. Add water to make it loose. Use a mud mixer to mix it all up. Couple of ways to apply it. If you have a helper, this is the nicest way to do it. Takes the load off of your back. Choose your trowel, 6-inch, 8-inch, 10-inch, 12-inch. And for those with strong hands, 14-inch. When that part of your arm gets tired, you can use a pull trowel using these muscles. For those with smaller hands who want a lighter load, a smaller pull trowel. Or you can use any one of these tools. If you don't like the roll-on method, you could go right from a hawk. Using a pull trowel, you go in half circle motions, and it's the least offensive on your muscles. Accomplish the same thing with the smaller trowel. Whichever one you use, the bigger ones are going to get the most done in the least amount of time. But if you're like me, you'll stick with a 10-inch blade. So with the pull trowel, you take long crescent-shaped strokes and make it flat. Or if you don't like that style, you take your taping knife and starting at the top, pull straight down. Either tool you use is going to leave lap marks that you get out as you keep doing the same stroke. As you pull the mud, the lap marks disappear, so that eventually you wind up with a nice flat surface. After the coat dries, you'll do it again. Eventually, a skim coat will become perfectly flat. So if you look closely at what I just did in the previous frame, you'll see an almost perfectly smooth surface. What I mean is that there are no lap marks, and all we need is another coat to make it perfect. But I want you to take note of the angle, which is something you couldn't see. This would be a 90-degree angle. This would be 45. What I'm doing in the previous frame is something like this. It's no more than a 15-degree angle from the wall surface. That's what gives you the smooth appearance.